What if your house, your gold, or even your government bonds could live on the blockchain? That's not a sci-fi dream. It's already happening through something called real-world assets, or RWA. In this video, we'll break down what RWA means, why it's the future of finance, and how it could change everything you know about crypto and investing.
In simple terms, real-world assets, or RWA, are physical or traditional assets that are represented on the blockchain as digital tokens. Imagine you own a house worth $100,000. With RWA, that house can be tokenized into, say, 100,000 digital tokens, each worth $1. Those tokens can then be traded, borrowed against, or invested in, just like cryptocurrencies. This means anyone, anywhere, could buy a fraction of that house without banks, lawyers, or middlemen. The goal? To make real assets, like property, gold, or bonds, liquid, transparent, and accessible globally. That's the power of real-world assets, bringing the physical world into the digital economy. And here's what's exciting. Big institutions like BlackRock and JP Morgan are already exploring RWA projects. Experts believe this could unlock trillions of dollars in new on-chain opportunities. Real-world assets, or RWA, aren't just another crypto trend. They're one of the fastest-growing revolutions in blockchain right now, and for good reason. First, RWA connects traditional finance, or TradFi, with decentralized finance, known as DeFi. It bridges the old financial world with the new digital economy. Second, it opens new investment opportunities, especially in emerging markets, where access to global assets is often limited. Now investors can own fractions of assets that were once out of reach. Third, it makes real-world assets like real estate, commodities, and bonds more liquid, easier to trade, borrow against, or invest in on-chain. And this isn't just talk. Big institutions are already getting involved. BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and JP Morgan are actively exploring tokenized bonds and on-chain funds. Why? Because they see where finance is heading. Analysts estimate that over $16 trillion in assets could be tokenized by 2030. That's not hype. That's the next evolution of financial infrastructure. A world where real assets, from houses to gold to bonds, move freely on blockchain rails. Real-world assets are more than just tokens. They're the foundation for a smarter, more open global economy.
So, that's real-world assets in crypto, a bridge between the physical world and the blockchain, turning traditional value, like real estate, bonds, and gold, into digital opportunities that anyone can access. We're still early in this transformation, but the foundations being built today could reshape finance forever. In our upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into how RWA projects works simplified and uncover examples of RWA projects, how to invest. You'll learn where real innovation is happening and how to be part of it early. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode from Tokenized World Together We'll Make Complex Crypto.